Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a vintage hairstyle. It's the same one I wore in my Suavecita lip swatching video. There was a few of you that wanted to see how I got that hairstyle done. So if you were the ones who asked for it, this one's for you. I do have Betty bangs currently, but they're pretty much grown out. They're like up to here. So this is a good way to kind of hide them and yeah, make them look good. Usually what I do is I put my foam rollers overnight. I just spray a little bit of the Suavecita grooming spray and then I add the rollers. I don't really do it in any specific order, but since my hair is very thin, I like to use the smaller rollers. So I use the smaller ones on the top and the mediums, which are the yellow ones at the bottom, and the yellow ones on my bangs because, you know, I don't want my bangs to be super curly. And this is like the one I use, the Conair Soft Bouncy Curls foam rollers, and it comes in 4 different ones. I got this at Amazon, but I recently went to Walmart and I noticed that they have the exact same one. So yeah, you can get this at Walmart. So yeah, I'm going to start taking my rollers off. So now that my foam rollers are off, I'm going to brush my hair with my Suavecita paddle brush. So this is what it's going to look like when you're done brushing it out, but don't you worry, when we're done, I will no longer look like the Mad Hatter. Next, I'm going to add some Suavecita Argan Soaking Serum. And I like to add a generous amount just so my hair is not super crazy fluffy. It tones it down and it smells really good, just like every other Suavecita product. So before we continue with this hairstyle, it's always gonna come out different. Some days it comes out better than other days, but what I do is I constantly brush it and mold it with my hands and my clips. But yeah, you kind of have to be patient because, like I said, I brush through my hair a lot until I'm happy with it. So that's what I'm going to start doing right now. So I'm going to add a little bit of the serum again. But this time, I'm going to mix it a little bit with the Suavecita pomade. And I learned this trick with Red Pinup Doll. She did my hair once and she did this, and I really like how my hair turned out. So as you notice, the more I keep combing, the more the little waves start to shape. And my waves aren't always perfect. I'm not as good as his vintage touch, but hey, it's cute enough, right? And I add my clips on each wave. One's right here. And then at the bottom of my hair, I like to tease a little bit just to give me that extra fluff. only comb over the top of what I teased. I'm going to add some Suavecita Firm Hold hairspray. Shake it up a little. I'm fanning it to help out so my hair can stay in place and because I'm hot. It's so hot in here. Whew. Now for this side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm also going to add more hairspray on this side. Now for the back, I'm going to show you as much as possible. It's kind of hard to do it with a small mirror because I usually have a big mirror behind me and a small mirror in front of me. That way I can see what I'm doing with both mirrors. So Don't judge me if it doesn't come out as perfect, but I'm going to try to fix it off camera and show you the final look, okay? Once I'm done combing, I'm gonna add a suavecita clip right here. Another one right here. Okay, so I'm going to comb it through one last time. Now for the front, I'm also going to take off the clips. As you can see, my bangs are still not cooperating 100%. So what I do is, if you get this problem, you're fine. All you need to do is a curling iron. That will fix that really quick. So I get this 3/4 inch curling iron and I lightly just curl them in. So once I use the curling iron for my bangs, I'm just gonna comb them and blend them into the rest of my hair. So I think I'm happy with my bangs. So if the rollers don't work for your bangs, you could always use a curling iron. That's what I do. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit more of hairspray to make sure it all stays in place. Once I'm happy with my hairstyle, the last thing my hair needs is the new Suavecita Shine Spray. And again, like every Suavecita product, it smells so good and it leaves your hair super shiny and it just looks so beautiful. Yeah, I love this stuff, especially for vintage hairstyles. I love this stuff. I'm so glad they made this product because it just makes your hair look complete. So I'm gonna add some of this all over my hair. And that's it. I'm going to change and I'll be right back to show you the final look.